hit with this, this is going to go towards you.
Okay, dry capsize drill, start. Yeah. Job's a good one. Right, here we go.
Dry capsizing canoe.
Total control.
Technique number 1 is to go slowly, alright? Go over, and when you get water in it, you've got to move fast. Because it'll go over fucking quickly once it gets water in it. Right, are you ready?
Yep.
Are you ready?
Yep.
Are you ready?
Born ready, mate.
Yeah,
Are you ready?
Are you ready? Hey! Dry capsizing!
It's a bit sinky.
It's a tricky fucker. Oh, there it is. That is how you dry capsize a canoe.
It's sunk.
Have you seen that?